Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford F150 key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task takes just a few minutes, and you'll have your key fob working like new in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the casing. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be sure to apply even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic housing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.